This newly painted first-floor turnkey 2-bedroom 2-bath garden condominium features a sunny breakfast room and a fully loaded gourmet kitchen with newer stainless steel appliances and Corian countertops. And the air conditioning system was replaced in 2018. The master suite includes 2 walk-in closets, double vanity and a large shower. Plantation shutters throughout, imported ceramic tile and carpeted bedrooms. The screened lanai with an ideal southern exposure is perfect for morning coffee and just steps from the herons, albatross and otters feeding in the lake behind. High-speed internet available to support the 2 new Samsung Smart TVs. Trieste is a wonderful garden community located in Vasari Country Club. Vasari is the #1 bundle golf community in the North Naples/Bonita area, but golf is just the start. Award-winning dining, no minimums. Bocce. Tennis, fitness center. Lots of planned social activities. The architecture and landscaping separates Vasari from the competition. But the most important difference are the members. Conveniently located on Livingston Road and just minutes to great shopping, the beaches and the airport. This garden home is priced to sell.